I thought I would kind of kill two birds with one stone here. I haven't done a piece of cardboard. I'll admit it. I haven't done it yet. So I'm gonna throw a piece of cardboard on there, and just do an Easter egg outline. See how it comes out, and then I'm gonna start real low. It should burn on here, no problem. I'm gonna start real low, and then I'm gonna crank up the power and cut it out. But we'll see how this first cut goes, using my super duper leveling system here. If you haven't seen the video, it's up here in the corner, because kind of proud of that one. I know I've said it before, but I am. So I've got my height set, and we're just gonna rip out this giant Easter egg, see how she goes. Thanks for coming by, guys. This is going to be 325 millimeters a second, and I'm going to start at about, well, we'll start at 12, let's say 12 power, and then go up from there. Cool. Thanks, guys. Alrighty, there we go. One cardboard Easter egg. Yeah, I know, not that fun, but I'd never really done cardboard before. I'd done thinner paper, but yeah, that turns out pretty cool. Alright, well, the next one we are gonna do is a hard-boiled egg. Yeah. Let's try a hard-boiled egg. I'm gonna have to keep it from rocking around in here. Let's see if this is gonna work. It should.